Audio desynchronization in CS2 can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in CS2 are configured correctly. Go to the game's audio settings and verify that the output device is set to the correct speakers or headphones. Also, check the audio quality settings and adjust them if necessary. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use the driver update tool to ensure you have the latest drivers installed. Restart your computer after updating. Step 3. Adjust in-game latency settings. Sometimes, adjusting the latency settings in CS2 can help with audio sync. Go to the game settings and look for options related to audio latency or buffering. Experiment with these settings to find the optimal configuration for your system. Step 4. Disable background applications. Background applications can interfere with game performance and audio sync. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially those that use audio resources, to see if this resolves the issue. Step 5. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to various issues, including audio desync. Use the game client like Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. By following these steps, you should be able to fix audio desync issues in CS2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.